सचिन इज़ अ ग्रेट प्लेयर और हमने उनको इतनी मरतबा उनकी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंसेस देखी हैं कि वी विल मिस हिम. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, एज ए क्रिकेटर आई फील रियली सैड as a player because I really love the way he dominated the whole world from the last 2 decades, more than two decades. So I personally feel, it's a sad moment for us as a cricketer. But I think whatever decision made by him must be, his own decision, and we wish him very best of luck in his future. To be honest, we all know the importance of these games because the people of both sides, both the countries, love their team to win against each other, and the expectation is always high from the team. So we know that, but we are here to play good and competitive cricket, as I said earlier, and we are here to enjoy ourselves with the greatest atmosphere in India. We always love to come here, and it's always, it's a great feeling whenever you land in India, and the people always love you, and you really love to play cricket in India. There's no doubt कि MS धोनी जो हैं उनका एक्सपीरियंस एज ए कैप्टन इज कंसर्न हमसे ज़्यादा है, मेरे से भी और मिसबा से भी. लेकिन आई थिंक एट इंटरनेशनल लेवल आप जब भी अपनी क्रिकेट खेल रहे होते हैं तो आपको प्रेशर हैंडल करना पड़ता है. आई थिंक एज फार एज द कैप्टनसी इज कंसर्न, I will try my level best to play without pressure, and with the same message I will convey to my boys. I think everybody just get ready for that we are here to enjoy good cricket. We will try not to take any pressure, and we'll try to express ourselves as much we can. And the other thing is, yes, we know that this is a short, very very short tour. It's only the T20, contains only T20 and 3 one-days. So yeah, I think it's a new fresh journey of the two greatest, the cricketing nation and the whole nation. So I personally feel that it's a start, and in the next time I think it will contains more test matches, between the both teams. I think he's a great player, there's no doubt, and he's taking it positively. He's taking it as a challenge, and I think his preparation towards the T20 is excellent. He is hitting the ball very well in the last 2 games we played in Pakistan as a practice game. He come out with some good performances, so I think he's a tough guy, and he will come out with this, and we wish him very best of luck. He's a great talent. He's always the match winner for us as a bowler and as a batsman, and he's getting confidence back to his form. So whenever he will perform well, he's always the member of the squad. So there's no doubt he can come back in the ODIs. इस मरतबा भी इंडिया के टूर पे भी हम सब लोग एक अच्छी और बेहतर क्रिकेट खेलने आए हैं और एंजॉय करने आए हैं. और आई थिंक जैसे मैंने पहले बोला कि हमेशा जब भी हम लोग इंडिया आते हैं, वी ऑलवेज लव टू कम टू इंडिया बिकॉज द क्राउड यहाँ पे बड़ा हमें मज़ा आता है खेलने में. लोगों की मोहब्बत बहुत ज़्यादा है हम लोगों के साथ, पाकिस्तानी प्लेयर्स के साथ. और इसी तरह जैसे जब इंडिया की टीम भी वहाँ पे आती है तो इसी तरह वहाँ के लोग भी बहुत ज़्यादा मोहब्बत करते हैं. और आई थिंक इट्स अ फ्रेश न्यू जर्नी जिसको हम लोग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, और आई होप कि इसको हम लोग मज़ीद कंटिन्यू करेंगे.